Hi, it's Sherry from Great American RV. Do I have a little treat for you? We just got in the 2026 Jay Flight SLX 160 LK. This is for you campers who can't tow something really heavy. It weighs 3,455 pounds, single axle, so very easy to tow. Come check it out. Has one slide. Tankless hot water heater. Comes with a spare tire, already prepped for a rear backup camera and a ladder. There's a 12-foot power awning. I don't have it all the way out just because I didn't want to hit this other RV here that it's parked next to. But you can see where this will come out and give you some nice shade. Look at this pretty baby. You have an exterior storage compartment, tinted windows. Time to check out the inside. Coming right in from the front door, you have your nice kitchen area. You have some drawer space underneath, cabinet space, microwave, a 2-burner cooktop. You have a little built-in fan and light there, sink. And then on this side, you have a jackknife sofa. This does pull out to a bed. And over here, you have a queen size bed. I'm going to show you their storage underneath. You have a fold down table. You can use that right here in front of your sofa if you'd like to use that for dining, or you can use it outside. Under your awning, you can have a little cookout. There's space up here over the bed, storage, a little wardrobe with a mirror on that side. Gives you more storage inside. Take a peek. Nightstand area. Outlets down below. If you're camping with friends or kids and you need a little privacy, you just close the curtain. Then you have a private sleeping space. And here's your couch folded down into a bed. You have AC and over a 16,000 BTU furnace in here. Nice size refrigerator for this small of a camper. In the back, you have the bathroom. You have a toilet, fan, skylight in the shower, shower wand, nice Jayco quality shower. Lots of storage underneath the sink. And over here, you have these really nice, deep storage compartments in the bathroom. Here's your sink, mirror, towel rack. This single axle camper has everything you need to go on a nice little camping trip with friends and family. And you have somewhere to cook, use the bathroom, and go take a shower. All the luxuries of home, but you're still camping. So that's the new 2026 Jay Flight SLX 160 LK floor plan. It sleeps 4. Exterior length is 21.5 feet, 9.5 feet in height. Single axle, lightweight, easy to tow. If you're looking for something that you can take on little fun camping getaways, this is the perfect RV for you. You can email me at smoore, SMOORE, @garv.net for more information. Like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube page. I would love to give you more information on this RV or any other RVs that you may be interested in.